The rear defogger in your 2007-2013 Subaru Impreza III clears fog, frost, and ice from the rear windshield to improve visibility. It consists of thin, resistive wires embedded in the glass that heat up when electricity passes through them. This system is crucial for safe driving in inclement weather. To enable the rear defogger, locate the switch on your climate control panel. It's typically a button with a grid-like icon. Press the button once to activate the defogger. The system only works when the ignition is turned on. It will usually run for 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. The Impreza III doesn't have a dedicated disable mode, but there are ways to interrupt the function. Method 1. Turn off the ignition to immediately stop the defogger. Method 2. Remove the fuse labeled DF or rear defogger from the fuse box, located under the dashboard or hood. Method 3. Modifying the wiring is possible, but not recommended for safety reasons. The fuse box in your Subaru Impreza III is typically located either under the dashboard on the driver's side or in the engine compartment. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location. This diagram shows the fuse panel layout with the fuse box highlighted here. Look for the fuse labeled DF or rear defogger. It's usually a 30-amp fuse, as shown here. This schematic shows the fuse box layout. The DEF, or rear defogger fuse, is typically located in this area. Removing this fuse will disable the rear defogger. If your rear defogger isn't working, first check the fuse. A blown fuse is a common issue. Also, inspect the wiring connections for corrosion, especially in humid climates. If the grid itself is damaged, replacement is more complex and expensive, often requiring glass removal. To keep your rear defogger working properly, check for blown fuses and corroded connections every year. A blown fuse will interrupt the circuit, while corrosion can cause poor electrical contact. Never use harsh or abrasive cleaners on the defogger grid. The resistive wires embedded in the glass can be damaged by strong chemicals, leading to broken heating elements and reduced effectiveness. Keep your vehicle's battery in good condition. The rear defogger draws significant current, typically 25 to 30 amps, so a weak battery can lead to poor performance or complete failure of the system. While the Impreza III's defogger is reliable, some owners explore aftermarket upgrades for enhanced efficiency. One option is heated seat extenders, which add heating to more seat areas for better comfort and additional defrosting capability. Solar-powered defoggers use solar energy to power the defrosting process, reducing battery drain in parked vehicles. You can replace the standard grid with advanced auto-sensing versions that activate heating only in areas where frost or fog is detected. However, be aware that these modifications can affect your vehicle's warranty, so consult your dealer before proceeding. Never permanently disable the defogger without proper electrical knowledge. Incorrect modifications can disrupt the vehicle's electrical system, potentially affecting other critical components. Incorrect wiring can create fire hazards by causing short circuits, overloaded circuits, or improper grounding. Even minor modifications can lead to electrical fires if not done correctly. If you're experiencing recurring issues with the defogger, consult a qualified mechanic to diagnose and repair the problem safely. Professional diagnosis ensures proper repairs without compromising safety. Always prioritize safe visibility while driving. The rear defogger is a safety feature designed to maintain clear vision, and any modifications should never compromise this essential function.